Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al. I hope everybody's doing fabulous. I do have another, it's a kick cylinder. It is a challenge lock. It is called Chiklets, and it's made by Captain Jim 318. Captain Jim 318, thanks so much for making this challenge lock, and thanks so much for making it tough. It is. There's the bitting on the key. It does work. It's got a little tick to it, which lets you know it's nasty in there, and it is. I've opened it 2 times off camera. I just tried it a minute ago on camera and failed. So this is attempt number 2 on camera. So let's get at it. I'm gonna drop this little dude in the bottom. Yeah, it's a beast, man. This thing here. It makes you work. All right, going in. It's fairly simple to get to a false set, but then it just kind of. I'm gonna come in a little bit, I guess. Then it just kind of dies right there. That should be all right. All right, here we go. Counterclockwise. Already got a binder at 1. A little click. Another click. Feels good. 2, 3, 4. That didn't feel good. Alright, I think that was, wow, too many. I think I overset. Alright. One, 2, 4. Keeps oversetting. Huh. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think I overset right from the gate. 1. Okay, there's a false set. See if we can't get out of it. Two, counter rotation, got a click. One, 2, 3, 4. Little counter on 5. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it feels like it's set. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feels like chicken bones or something. 4, 3. I'm getting some counter on 2. I have to try it. Got a little click. Okay, 1, 2. Getting counter on 3. Okay, it's set. Oh, 2 dropped. Got it back. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feels like it's set. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's something boogered up. Not sure. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonder if I need to get farther up there on 5 or something. Let me try this. Oh, it don't even fit. Oh, dear God. Nope, I think I buggered it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's what happened last time. I got to the that false set and it just locked up on me. Lost everything. There's something nasty in the back. Real nasty. Oh boy. Going in circles. There it is. I'll be freaking damned. Alright. I don't know if there's chicken bones and duct tape in this thing or what. My goodness. Ugh. There we go. Keep that there. Put that over here. Bring this down over there. Captain Jim 318. What did you do? What have you done? Let's take a look. We got a key, so I can lock it back up. It is very much open. All right. Good golly, Miss Molly. Huh. Ching. All right. Yeah, it feels kind of nasty too, so. Oh boy. That's the craziest back I've ever seen. Huh. I am so glad that went in there. Whew. Okay. Yeah, buddy. All right, 6 pins. Go ahead and lay it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Yeah, these key pins are pretty tricked out too. So I don't feel bad. That was a battle. Okay, on the Bible we've got, or on the core, I'm sorry. Looks like threading in 2, 4, and 6, and undercut in 1, 3, and 5. Well played, sir. Well played. All right. Let's see, that's the front. Alright, some light down this way. Yeah. It's like a serrated with I thought it was reduced, but it doesn't look like it. Alright. 2. Nice. Really sharp top on it. Same thing with that one. Nice little sharp tops. That's why it was so tough, man. It kept just getting snagged. Wow. Nice long one. That was 4. Another one. Sharp top on 5. And number 6. Nice. Alright, I've got a missing spring or something. Yep. Alright, there is a, it may be, oh it is. The spring, the 6th spring is caught. There it went. Huh, it was caught on the little tab, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I don't feel anything in the Bible part. Alrighty. Let's take a peeky peek real quick at these fantastic pins. Again, that was Chiklets from Captain Jim 318. Alright, key pins. We got a standard in 1. We got a double serrated in 2. We've got a, I guess you call that a wide serration in 3. 4 double serrated, same in 5. 6 has got 2 or 3, 3 or 4 serrations in it. You can call that serrated though. Top pins, serrated in 1, double serrated in 2, serrated with a sharp end in 3, double serrated in 4, serrated in 5, again with that sharp end right there that gets caught, and 6 double serrated, and I think that's pretty sharp too. All the springs look standard except for number 6. Oh no, they don't. There's a copper or something right here in 3. So they do vary a little bit. The springs do. Okay. Captain Jim 318, thank you so much for building this thing and getting it out into the community. I appreciated stabbing it. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing out.